Many people may say that getting rich requires a lot of time and a lot of hard work. But there's one more way. That is the way of smart work and intelligent tricks. Smart tricks may accumulate you riches in a very short period of time. And in this video, we will be revealing the 9 secret tricks that will make you rich, and that too very quickly. Whether you are new in the world of finances or an experienced person, this video will surely make you knowledgeable. Watch the video till the end, as the last trick is the most powerful one. Now let's start. 1. Creating definite financial goals. Setting definite, attainable financial objectives is the first step in achieving financial success. Your financial choices and activities will be guided by these goals, which serve as a roadmap. Establish both short and long-term objectives, such as putting money down for a down payment on a home, creating an emergency fund, or making investments for retirement. You may stay focused and motivated while accumulating wealth by having well-defined goals. 2. Setting a budget and saving. Budgeting is a vital step towards acquiring money. By keeping track of your expenses and creating a budget, you may gain a better understanding of your spending habits and identify areas where you may make savings. By consistently setting money aside, you may build a safety net for your finances and gather resources for future ventures. 3. Smart investing. Building wealth requires investing, which enables your money to increase in value over time. Risks can be reduced and potential returns can be increased by diversifying your investing portfolio among several asset classes, including mutual funds, equities, bonds, real estate, and stocks. To choose investments that are in line with your risk appetite and financial goals, get assistance from financial specialists, or you may also do some research. Assets are not very difficult to identify. Also, you can hear the speeches of famous millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, as they frequently advise the best investment options. We have also made several videos on investing. You may click on the I button on the top left side to watch those videos. 4. Starting and running a business. It's possible to build money on your terms by starting a firm or engaging in entrepreneurship. Successful company ownership may produce significant revenue and create lasting wealth. However, becoming an entrepreneur needs commitment, diligence, and a readiness to accept calculated risks. It might sound difficult, but as you put time into your business, you will get to learn everything. Experience is the key, holds true here. So start a business and give it some time. 5. Buying real estate. Due to the tendency of properties to increase in value over time, investing in real estate may be a great method to accumulate money. Rental income and property value growth, whether from residential or commercial real estate, may greatly improve your financial situation. If you want to know more earning tricks, then press the subscribe button and also hit the like button. 6. Build passive income sources. Wealth building may be sped up by establishing various passive income streams. Investment profits, authors' royalties, affiliate commissions, and rental income are all examples of passive income. You may concentrate on other wealth-building activities while receiving stable income from passive income streams. 7. Get financially informed. For making wise financial and investment decisions, financial literacy is crucial. To learn more about personal finance and ideas for growing money, read books, go to seminars, and follow reliable financial websites. 8. Cut back on debt. Debt can provide a serious obstacle to building wealth. Prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates first, such as credit card and personal loan balances. Debt reduction eases financial pressure and frees up more money for savings and investing. 9. Connect and work together. The ability to collaborate and network with others who share your interests might lead to new business ventures and alliances. People that inspire and push you to succeed financially should be in your immediate vicinity. That's all for today. Now you very well know the tricks to get rich quickly. Use and follow these tricks in your daily life to get rich. If you successfully use all these tricks, then you will surely get rich in 2023. If you loved watching this video, then do not forget to click the subscribe button and also hit the like button in addition. This motivates us to make more new amazing videos. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. If you are having any doubt in your mind, then do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.